With the brand for mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers, users appreciate responsive performance, quality design, and immersive experience, traits that also define a great soundbar. JBL soundbars are celebrated for their powerful sound, sleek build, and reliable technology. In this guide, we review the best JBL soundbars, evaluating sound quality, build, features like Dolby Atmos, and overall value, so you can elevate your audio experience effortlessly. List number: JBL Bar 500, 5.1 channel soundbar with multi-beam and Dolby Atmos. The JBL Bar 500 offers a cinematic audio experience in your living room with its 5.1 channel setup, Dolby Atmos, and JBL's multi-beam technology. It delivers crisp, immersive sound with impactful bass and crystal clear dialogue. The multi-beam technology projects audio in a way that fills the room without requiring extra speakers. Setup is quick and intuitive, and it supports all the latest streaming formats. List 2. JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, 6.5, 300 max output. For those who want powerful sound on a budget, the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 is a standout choice. With a 2.1 channel configuration and a robust wireless 6.5 subwoofer, it delivers punchy bass and clear highs, offering up to 300 watts of total output. The sleek design fits seamlessly under most TVs. List number: JBL Bar 700, 5.1 channel soundbar with detachable surround speakers and Dolby Atmos. The JBL Bar 700 brings the thrill of true surround sound with its innovative detachable speakers. With a 5.1 channel setup, Dolby Atmos, and multi-beam, it creates a truly immersive audio environment. The two detachable battery-powered speakers can be placed anywhere in the room, offering real rear-channel audio without wires. The wireless subwoofer packs a punch, rounding out the experience with deep dot. List 4. JBL Rallybar S 21-inch Bluetooth Universal Outdoor Vehicle Soundbar with built-in 150-watt RMS amplifier. The JBL Rallybar S is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want great sound on the go. Built to withstand the elements, this 21-inch Bluetooth soundbar is perfect for ATVs, UTVs, boats, or any outdoor vehicle. It features a built-in 150-watt RMS amplifier, delivering powerful, clear audio even in noisy environments. With its rugged design and easy mounting system, it's both durable and functional. List 9. JBL Bar 500, 5.1 channel soundbar with multi-beam and Dolby Atmos. We revisit the JBL Bar 500 because it truly deserves the spotlight for delivering high-end sound and cutting-edge technology at a reasonable price. Its 5.1 channels, Dolby Atmos, and multi-beam create an enveloping audio experience that rivals much more expensive setups. With simple setup,